Hey everyone, I'm out here at Elite of Rockwall. We're picking up the Phoenix Insurance Porsche 944. We've just had this GT hatch installed on it, and Tim over here at Elite of Rockwall, he helped us get this installed. It was pretty tricky, so he's going to show us exactly how we got it done.
Okay, so real quick, to open it, we put the rams on it. We used all the factory mechanisms, the framework, hinges, everything. So what you do is you put your hand in the center so the latch will come up evenly. It pops up, so you got your shorter struts, a little bit weaker. And then we use the framework inside. So the framework that bolted to the bottom of the glass is now bolted inside this hatch. I cut it and took out about 4-inch section on each side to allow for the hinge. So it bolts up here, goes all the way around the front, and then it goes all the way around the back, utilizing the factory hatch pins. Okay, and then we use the factory latches, the factory mechanism, everything's back like it was. The seal that goes on here is here, it still goes around to the fiberglass, and that's pretty much it on that part of it. So as far as letting it down, since it's fiberglass, it wants to move left or right. So the rams kind of keep it, square, but when you let it down, if you just let it down evenly, left and right, because they are separate, then it latches, everything's good, and you just release it, it's back up. So then after we got everything in, we fit the back glass, we cut it down, urethaned it in, and so far everything's been good, no leaks on that part.
Anything big potholes, big things that you need everybody to look out for when they're putting this on?
Yeah, the main thing with this guy is you got to be careful with the latch, because not the latch, but the framework. The framework that was on the glass, you're going to have to remove it from the glass if you want to go the way we did. So we've separated the two, and then you have to cut about 4 inches out of each of that framework to make a front and a back. So it'll go up inside here, because there's no way for it to go otherwise without cutting this. We didn't modify this to get that in there, but once we got it in, we ground it and everything to get everything to fit, and then we epoxied everything in so that it wouldn't move. And then across the top, we ended up, after we got the gaps the way we wanted them, then we went ahead and bonded that out and got it slick. Tried to utilize the gap all the way around so it'll be consistent.
Well, Tim, it absolutely looks great. We really appreciate